How to send fake snaps on your Snapchat without media upload. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to send fake snaps on a Snapchat without media upload. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Tap login to sign into your account. Now tap turn on to allow Snapchat to access your camera and local storage. Now tap on chat icon at bottom left corner of the screen and open a particular chat where you wanna add any kind of snap as fake snap. Once you open a chat, simply tap on the camera icon or the gallery icon. Now you can choose any picture that looks like a fake snap. Suppose if this is the picture that I wanna send as fake snaps, tap on the arrow icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Then from this way you can easily send fake snaps on your Snapchat without media upload. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.